Letitia James is New York's chief legal officer, leading an office of 1,700 people, including 800 lawyers. And now she's a criminal defendant. After Ms. James, who has been New York's Attorney General since 2018, was indicted on Thursday on federal charges of bank fraud and false statements, she vowed to keep doing her job leading one of the country's largest prosecutors' offices. The indictment in the Eastern District of Virginia, she said in a statement, is nothing more than a continuation of the president's desperate weaponization of our justice system. She called the charges baseless. The case's impact on her job will be zero, said James E. Tierney, a former Maine Attorney General who teaches about the position at Harvard Law School. It is not the first time that an Attorney General has been indicted and continued to lead, Mr. Tierney said. Ken Paxton, the Texas Attorney General, was elected to the office in 2014 and indicted the following year on charges of felony security fraud. In 2024, he reached a deal with prosecutors to avoid a trial. Professional life will go on in Albany and New York City as it did in Austin, he said. There are 800 professional lawyers in that office, and they will all be at their desk working tomorrow doing what they were doing today, Mr. Tierney said. It's just as simple as that. The Attorney General's office in New York operates independently of the governor and undertakes statewide civil and criminal investigations. The office investigates a range of crimes, including financial wrongdoing, Medicaid fraud, and deaths caused by police officers. In addition, there are the dozens of lawsuits that Ms. James and other state attorneys general have filed against the Trump administration. Ms. James has also been part of almost 40 lawsuits against Mr. Trump's sweeping and fast-moving agenda in his second term, leading or helping to lead 17 of those suits.